My name is Peter Adamczyk. I'm a professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department here at UW-Madison, and my work is in biomechanics related to rehabilitation, including prosthetics and orthotics, wearable sensors, and rehabilitation robotics. I describe what I do as three main areas. The first one is in prosthetics and orthotics. So we develop advanced prosthetic feet of a particular style and kind. We measure the way existing ones on the market affect human biomechanics, so we do a lot of motion studies. We do a lot of work in wearable sensors, so how do wearable movement sensors enable us to track people, in particular when they do things that are not inside the lab. And then the third area is rehabilitation robotics, which involves development of new systems to accomplish rehabilitation, new types of robots, and then new types of experiments that let us probe the way the human body controls itself and how we might use that to make it function better after an injury. The human body is a fascinating machine and a fascinating thing to look at as a machine. And so there's an endless series of questions you can ask about how it works, why it works, how to make it work better, and how to make it work as well as it used to after it's been injured. Knowing that the work we're doing always has an impact in knowledge that will in some form feed into the care of people who need some kind of boost to their movement. Any ability that we have to make a difference in that way is really motivating to all of us. Satisfaction to me in particular is developing through my students totally new ways of thinking about a question, and then when I see that go through their presentations or my own to an audience at a conference and spark little light bulbs and conversations, among colleagues and other students elsewhere about these new ways of thinking about the problem, that's really satisfying to me. That's success to me. One of the things that I like best, having worked here in mechanical engineering at UW, is how cohesive and collegial, and I'll say the word enriching, to be in this environment. So the faculty are supportive of each other. We work very hard to support the students at the graduate and undergraduate levels, to give resources to people with big ideas, to move on them. And so it really feels like anything is possible.